past 4 years, I have been uploading information about background verification process from the scratch to the up-to-date status. So initially how MNCs did the background verification, now how they are doing the verifications. All these information I have been uploading in last 4 years. But latest trend is background verification is happening based on automatic method. So generally it is called AI tool. Okay, they are using AI tool in order to do your background verification process. Mostly they cannot do the verification based on your relieving letter, based on your previous company's relieving letter and payslip, everything. Okay, to do your background verification digitally, they need information from centralized portal, which means centralized website. Okay, they will fetch the information from centralized trusted portal that should have access to your employer as well as you, which means background verification will be done in AI method. When we talk about AI method, there is a AI tracker which will do the verification, and AI application will fetch your information from income tax portal based on form 26AS and PF service history. So basically this AI application will fetch the information from your income tax portal as well as your PF service history. Both together it will do analysis and bring consolidated report, which means AI application will fetch your previous employment history without reviewing your resume or without reviewing your relieving letter, whatever you uploaded from your side. Okay, it will do insta verification, fast verifications. So within 2 to 3 minutes, AI application will generate background verification summary report. It will fetch if you have dual employment, if you have absconded record, if you are not end dated captured properly in your PF account, you will be in trouble. Okay, whatever I uploaded, that is what happening in the market. Okay, I clearly told what will happen in future. Almost 4 years back, the same is happening right now. Today also I will tell you, in future MNCs will not spend money on background verification process much. They will not allocate people, they will not allocate resources, manpower resources to do your background verification process. An application will do your entire verification. Okay. Please understand the concept and react. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.